This is such a fun car to just rip around outside in the wet. My tires are worn kind of weird right now, so it's a little bit difficult to drift at the moment, but I was doing my best. I wasn't doing too bad, you know. My only complaint with this car is currently it is in pretty rough condition. The body's awful. Like I said, the tires are like, they're half bald. And there's a whole bunch of other parts on it that are like a bit messed up. So what I'm planning to do is just rebuild this car, or at least replace everything that could be replaced or that should be replaced. However, I'm going to do this completely funded by this YouTube channel. This channel is monetized and has been for a little while. Through monetization, I was able to completely buy this, where is it? Little Armatyphon Grom right here. So this is going to be our next little project along with some other gear that I'm going to get. So the more views my videos get, the more money I can make and the faster I can get to this awesome little project. So with that said, feel free to watch some of my other videos and of course stay tuned for that awesome project when that's coming up. I don't know exactly when that will be because there's quite a lot of stuff I'll have to buy, so I've got some funding to acquire yet. But we're getting there relatively quick, so should be within the next, I don't know, month or two, hopefully. Anyways, if you want to see more videos about this Traxxas Slash, you can click right up here for that. And if you want to see just another awesome video from this channel, you can click right up here for that. And I will see you over there.